Hello friends, welcome to Testing Shala YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to talk about what is the career roadmap for a software tester or a QA engineer. Is that software testing career is a good option or is it a bad option? So I am going to talk in detail about what are the different options available for being a software tester in an IT industry, or what are the various other options or challenges which we may need to face when we are making a career in software testing. So before moving further to discuss what are the different software testing options, is that career in the software testing is a good option or a bad option to choose as part of our career, everything I'm going to talk in detail. Before that, if you have visited Testing Shala YouTube channel for the first time, then please click on subscribe and bell notification so that all our videos will be in your inbox as in when we publish our new videos. So let us move on and understand why we are saying is a good option or not. Software testing is a good option or not. Because this question normally arises for many people for different reasons. So I'm going to provide a lot of clarifications in this video because I bring almost around 20 years of experience in software testing. I work across top-notch companies across the world till now, right? I'm going to share my views related to software testing as a career and how you can build your career as a software test engineer or a software test professional. Let me clarify a few things first. Why people talk about whether it is an option, good option or a bad options. So according to me, software testing professional is equally important as software development. Without proper testing, no one can release the product to the client or customer, and they face a lot of challenges if they release a product without proper testing. That means in order to test the product, let the developer develops anything. If it is not being tested, then you can imagine nobody is going to buy that product and they will throw that product on their face if you would like to go and sell that product. Without proper quality, nobody will buy any product. That means you can imagine the quality is utmost importance. When the quality is utmost importance for any product or any kind of services which provided by any company, either it could be services company or it could be a product company, if they are not meeting the right quality, according to me, quality you mean it should work as expected, it should not be a buggy product, right? And it should not create a lot of challenges to the customer, or it should not create a lot of security challenges or performance issues or functional issues, you name it. There are many aspects you may come across in terms of quality. So if you are not going to test that in more effective way, then you cannot expect too much quality, and normally you may expect unhappiness with the customer, and over the period they may not like your product and they may go to the other competitors. Hence, quality is utmost important for any product or any services which we deliver. Then you can imagine whether the software testing career is important or software testing is a good option or a bad options. So whatever I just mentioned, with that itself you can clearly indicate software testing is an best option. And software testing is an evergreen topic and it will be there as long as you develop some product or you implement some product, as long as there is a service is there or there is a product is there which they are going to implement, as long that we will have software testing. It's the best option for people to choose as a testing career. Why people talk about this question at all? So next confusion I'm going to clear in this video. So basically the main intention is people feel that especially freshers came out of the college, their main motto all the time is they wanted to bring a development. They wanted to be in development. They don't want to be in the testing. Somewhere in their brain, they kept their seeds in their brain that software testing is not a challenging role. The software testing is a very simple role which anybody can do it. Only software development is very challenging role. That's where this question is coming out. They feel software testing is an inferior job. It is not a superior job. Because of that mindset, they keep floating this question here and there, every place, just to see whether they get the answer which they are looking. According to me, what they are looking is software development is a great job. At least from my experience, from last 20 years in software testing, definitely I built a big career in the software testing area, because you can understand the overall journey which I have taken. With that experience, definitely I can say software testing is the best career option. Then the next question which I am going to talk about, whether these jobs will continue to be there or continue to be there very long time. As I said earlier, as long as development is there, there will be a testing is also will be there. Only the things might change is the way the software development is also getting changed. They bring different technologies, different programming languages, different tools. Software testing is also going to evolve. And if you are not going to adapt to those as evolution, then you will disappear. Then you will feel testing is very bad. Normally what people will do is they will be lazy. They will be lazy in the initial part of the career, and they won't be learning many things. And as we are not learning in our career, then definitely will disappear one day from the IT industry. Hence, I recommend learning is always the good thing, and you should keep learning in order to evolve yourself, and you should also in order to secure yourself in the IT industry. So hence, software testing is also going to evolve. Software testing is also going to evolve, and you should move towards those evolution, and you should also learn new things, and you should adapt yourself to those changes. So if I say an example, earlier we were doing a waterfall model. So waterfall model where all the development used to happen in the beginning, and we will have a separate testing team who would be doing the functional testing or system testing and end-to-end testing at the last phase of software development. Now that kind of option is not at all there. Now nobody would like to wait for 8 months, 10 months or 2 years to release a product. Now because we are moving from waterfall model towards agile, when you are moving from waterfall model to agile, they expect we should test continuously, and also we should give the results within 2 to 3 weeks. Now you can understand the challenges. The testing job is also equally important, and they are also part of the agile teams now, or sprint teams. Now you can imagine, and there is no way the concept that I should wait for 8 months to get the product for testing. You will be getting a testing within 1 or 2 days of a given sprint. Now you should also be on the toes to take that and write the test cases, execute it, then bring in automation, then checking in those automation, and it has to run in a daily, nightly builds. Now with these new concepts and everything is been continuous integrated, continuous development, then you can imagine it is no more a normal testing. It is not just a monotonous testing. The testing which we are currently doing, which is of more challenging in nature. Resources has to put lot of work, lot of energy, and learning curve is also very high compared to the system which was working almost 3-4 years back. And the expectation from the management is also testing team should be able to do any job which development team is also going to do. That means the learning curve is more, and if you are not going to learn and we are not going to evolve over the period, then you will be completely lost and you will be disappeared from in the IT industry. Hence people feels that there is a insecurity is there. for people who it is insecure is when they are not evolving, when they are not educating themselves and they are not learning. For them, they feel software testing is insecure. Otherwise, according to me, software testing area is a very beautiful area where people can be there in their career for very long tenure. So next question normally in anybody's minds will come is software testing person also will get a decent salary, or they are not getting enough salaries like software development? Again, it depends on the which industry you are working on, whether you are working on services or whether you are working on the product division. Again, your salary depends on the various other factors, whether you are working in a tier 1 company or tier 2 companies or tier 3 companies. Tier 1 companies means the top companies like IBM, Google, Accenture, you name it, all these are top notch companies like Infosys, Cognizant. So these are tier 1 companies. The tier 2 companies, which are the companies which are coming in the next level, which are again the headcount which is less than around 1000 people, right? And again, if it is a product company, normally the salaries would be little, they will be paying little higher compared to the services. Hence, salaries always goes with the different factors. But as a generic question, whether testers really pay the good salary? Yes, definitely they will pay a good salary as long as you have done lot of self-learning or lot of experience you are bringing in tools, lot of expertise in bringing automation, or you talk about continuous integration. If you are having those skills using all these tools, definitely you will be deserving very high salaries. Hence, salary is not a constraint in a software testing field, and definitely you are equally competent with the development team, and you can also equally draw the salary which software developer they are earning. Only thing is your profile should have more skills, more relevant skills, more skills that adds value to the testing, that adds value to the organization. Then only you will be deserving a very good salary compared to any other resources. Hence, the question of whether you will get a good pay or you may not get a good pay doesn't arise. If you are not learning, then you have bigger challenges, you may not get it. But as long as you are skilled software tester and you know both manual testing, automation, continuous integration, AI technology, IoT, there are so many technologies have evolved, and as long as you are not learning over the period, we will perish. So that is the message I would like to pass. In the second clarification regarding whether do we get really good salary or not. And the next clarification I would like to make whether testing is a good career option or not is, do we have a career growth in the software testing field? So definitely the way the developers they grow in their field, they start with junior developer, then senior developer, then a team lead, then a manager, then senior manager, like that. So few people go in a managerial roles and few people they move towards technical roles where they will become a technical architect or senior technical architects, something like that. And similarly, the testing area is also having a junior tester, then senior tester, test lead, test manager, senior test manager, and director, and so on. The career is also a similar path which developer is going to take it. There is not much changes there. As long as you have caliber in you and you can take a different roles. In testing also we have a different technical roles as well. We have a automation test architect or test architect role, senior test architect roles, where they are going to define these continuous integrations support across different projects or in the same projects, or developing a framework. They go in a architect role. So hence the career growth opportunity which is similar to the development team, and also there is a additional growth is also can be taken in the testing world. One is you can move towards business analyst as well, because tester would be knowing in and out of the product functionality and they are well versed with all the functionality of the product, and they also can move towards a business analyst roles, or they can also move towards roles also you can take it up over the period, right? As you grow up in a career, you can also explore the options, and there are other options also you can explore, like according to me, even testing team is also well deserved for the similar career growth opportunity compared to the development team as well. Then there is no comparison or there is no confusion regarding whether there is a right career for software tester or not. I hope I already cleared 3 doubts and clarification which are required to answer whether software testing is a right career option or not. So let me move forward to help you in clarifying. The 4th question is, so whether do I have a learning curve, whether I can learn many stuff in a software testing. As I was saying earlier, if you are not learning every day, you are not exploring yourself various options, and if you are just limiting to only one set of work, then you will vanish, you will disappear one day. So as we are moving towards agile, that means you should be able to do anything. Hence, you should take new opportunities, new work. That's why I am telling, being a tester, you have opportunity to take all 360-degree kind of work. You can become a scrum master, you can become a developer as well, or you can become a product owner also, you can become a business analyst, or you can become a overall program manager or project manager as well. So that is the kind of opportunities which are available in the software testing. That means it is up to you to pick those opportunities in a right way, and you should work seamlessly in a smarter way and get these opportunities and keep working. Definitely you can get a very great career in the software testing. So this is the 4th question which I am clarifying, whether we have a right career opportunities or not in software testing. Then let us move on to the 5th question, which I need to clarify whether software testing is a right option for taking as a career or not. So one best option for software tester is, the good thing is we can switch over the jobs compared to any other career. Let's say after over a period you felt I am not much interested in automation, or I am not much interested in software testing, then you can move towards a business analyst role, which I already talked about, or also you can move towards a product owner role, or you can also move towards scrum master role, or you also can move towards product management or a project manager, and so on, because you have exposure to work with all the stakeholders, and you know how people works, what is their experiences, what they work day in day out, everything you will be knowing it. It is a matter of few months of exposure in those roles. Definitely you can also pick it up those roles, and you can also deliver it in a better fashion. Hence, normally any company, any organization, they prefer tester to explore, to move around these different roles. Examples in my career where testers has provided a lot of opportunities to take up these new additional roles. Hence, tester is always gets a better opportunities, better roles across the career. Hence, I feel as a one voice, software testing is a better career with a better option. Hope you really got the message. Software testing is one of the best option, also is available in the market. As long as you are learning every day, learning things, you are evolving over the period, then definitely software testing is a right opportunity for the people to grow in the IT industry. I am hoping this video was very useful for you guys to understand the perspective of software testing and their career and my view about that. And if you really like this video and the content in this video, then please click on like button, and if you are not subscribed to our Testing Shala YouTube channel for till now, then please click on subscribe and bell notification so that all our future videos will be in your inbox as and when we publish our new videos. So we'll catch you up in the next video. Until then, bye for now, take care.